Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the black tide shrimp in Fish Eats Roblox. So the black tide shrimp only appears in the Pirate Cove, and here in today's video, I'm going to show you the locations, the bait, and also the weather requirements to get the shrimp. So as for me, I got the stream when I'm in the admin event here in the Pirate Cove, and this is the exact location where I get it. And as for the bait, I'm using the singularity bait with element rods. And for the weather, I think you can just get the shrimp in any weather, so it's pretty easy for you to get it. So try your luck to get the black tide shrimp. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.